Previously on
a cooking series with Tom.
We're winging it, and you'd be like, no, sola no, coma sola.
this episode on
Winging it.
I'm gonna start by sharing the ingredients. So here they are. He ended up grilling this time around, which I absolutely love. He added some of the soy sauce in the vegetables, just simmering in there. Then some Swiss cheese after they are done, and I believe this is a Cuban bread. Easy and delicious. Come on, you'll try that out, right? Finish by tossing off the vegetables. Let's binge on another kind of hoagie. Here's a ranch and buffalo wing sauce. This was the mixture that we did with the chicken, leftovers, and obviously air fried it, and this is what it came out to be. So good. Would you agree that this is absolutely delicious looking? I could not wait to munch in, but I have to share with you the guac that Tommy just whipped up really quick and munch on these with chips. That cheese. Good, right? And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like these videos, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.